Research psychology is a great area of psychology that gives you a strong foundation in being able to design a study, analyze data, to think critically about what the story is that that data can tell, and also to be able to communicate that to diverse audiences.
You'll learn a lot about research methods, you'll learn a lot about statistics that, again, you could use to leverage to get into PhD programs like, say, for example, clinical psychology, but also to get jobs in competitive areas, say, for example, like data analytics or within industry.
This research psychology program gives you broad, high-level, and highly focused and applicable training in research methods and in analyzing data.
To do psychology well, it's a difficult thing to kind of grapple with how to do research and how to put that into practice. And in order to make that transition, we have to understand our own worldview, maybe our own faith basis, in order to understand what is going to guide us into the best practice, what is ethical.
This is important because we share who we are, but we also learn from one another in this program. And in doing so, we learn about the importance of diversity in the workplace, and we develop skills that will carry over into any workplace that students might find themselves in after this program.